forgot to do this other pack. Oh, never mind.
Jordan, stop chewing gum.
Right. I'm like, what?
Alright, y'all. Last pack.
Hey guys, welcome back to Unicorn Besties.
It's your girl Noelle.
It's a guy, Jordan.
And today,
We are gonna be making slime out of gum.
yeah, we are going to make a slime out of gum. So yeah, guys. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe,
Give
hit
it
the
a
notification
notification
bell,
bell. Hit the big thumbs up.
and let's get right into this
Video.
video.
Alright guys, we have the hot water now. Warm,
So
whatever.
now we're gonna open as many gum pieces as we want. So yeah, we're gonna put it on the table and then we're gonna pack out.
It's like close.
This one's open.
How do you open this?
So my first one is open. This is a lot. So unravel them. Guys, this is gonna be a lot. So we're gonna speed this up.
Then we put it in the hot water? All them?
No, put it right here.
Yeah, so I'm having green slime and
Alright. Not if that's what you want.
oh yeah, I'm gonna have green slime and what?
I'm having blue and white slime.
I want blue slime because it's my favorite color. Yay. Oh,
Okay,
shoot.
guys, so I opened a whole pack. Alright, if you can see the paper. And now I'm gonna add. Oh, finger. Okay, I'm gonna open a new pack.
It's hard. It's a little bit. Almost fell. I might eat this whole thing after.
Girl.
What? I love them. And I keep messing up because it's like I'm literally throwing the gum away and not the paper. And like a half. And I'm gonna eat the whole paper and I messed up. Why does it keep falling? Please.
Okay, I'll open the pack of gum. You guys, this is gonna be a long time to open all these gums and open the packs because they're packaged.
I'm gonna do this blue one. I don't care about this. I care about opening that right now. Do I put them together? If they're not the same color. Let's open this.
Alright, y'all, so we're still doing this one pack. Still.
I broke it. I just had to eat this one.
I guess so.
That's good.
Y'all, we decided to make slime out of gum because we don't have any real slime products. So, yeah.
But we have so much gum because we use gum, like eat gum all day.
At school or something. Sometimes. Okay.
But if they see me eating it, I'll get in trouble. How do I open this? It's so hard.
I just opened one.
That's because it's easier. Oh, like this. Sorry.
Okay, yeah, so I got the blue kind now.
I'm not even on my second one yet. Because these things are so hard to open. Jeez.
Y'all, you guys don't have to put this much.
If you don't want to.
We're just doing it because we want big and fluffy slime. Big and fluffy. And yeah. Alright guys, so after we take all of them out, we are going to put them in the warm water, and then we're going to let it sit for about 10 to 20 minutes.
I think it's going to be 10.
Yeah, we're going to do 20 minutes.
What we're going to do for that? I don't know.
Yeah guys, so yeah, we're just going to wait 20 minutes. But, and after we're done, we're going to like mush it up and stuff. And then we'll dry it up, and then it'll be fine. So yeah. You guys, I hate slime. Like, real slime with glue and activator and stuff. If I had to, I would play with this slime instead.
But
I hate real slime.
we will have to make it again.
Yeah, we have to make it.
What is going on upstairs?
Yeah. I just don't like real slime.
Look how much paper I have. I have more paper than you.
No, I think I have enough. You might have a little bit more than me.
I told you. Because I'm faster.
That is not true.
I'm not faster with my legs, but I'm faster with my arms. Sorry.
Okay, guys. So, I'm on a different. Yeah. Oh, shit.
I'm just throwing I don't care where the wraps go. I'm just throwing them everywhere.
What happened?
Where's my?
Did you just throw a gum?
Yeah.
Accident, instead of the paper.
Yeah. I meant to do it on purpose.
So like all this gum I have like powder on me.
I don't.
By the way, I have powder.
God, I don't see no powder and I don't eat it on my hands. On my hands too.
Ooh. Y'all, I was about to put the gum in the dirty pile.
Yeah, I kept doing that. That's why I'm just throwing them right here because, yeah. Y'all want to see how big? Oh, never mind. Look. If y'all can see.
Probably not.
Okay. That's why I didn't even really do it.
Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm getting tired. Even though I want a lot of slime.
She even hates slime, so I don't know what she's talking about.
Gum slime.
No, you don't. You never even started the bowl before. What if it even turns out bad?
Oh no. I never made gum slime. Well, actually, when I was chewing gum before, we listen to me, don't judge. I took my gum out of my mouth and I started playing with it.
We judged.
No.
Comment down below if you have to judge. Actually, subscribe if. No, don't do that. Like if y'all judged. Okay?
Subscribe, y'all. Please
No!
subscribe.
Oh yeah, please. Please?
Subscribe, guys.
Please! Please.
Guys, this is a lot.
Y'all don't even know what's going on. Y'all don't want to be through this. Y'all don't.
Y'all, have y'all tried the Wendy's meal?
Which one?
Takis.
Bro, we already did a video of that. Then why'd you say it?
I'm asking.
Okay.
Did it? I'm asking.
I never
All
say
right,
you
let's not
did.
start an argument. Okay, y'all.
I'm about to go
I
holler.
only got 3 more packs.
I only got 4 more packs. Oh,
You got 6 more packs.
what? No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 5 more packs. No, 4. Yeah, 4. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with me, y'all?
I know, right?
My brain is not braining.
I know, right? I know, right? Our brain never brains.
Yeah, in the summer. My school brains during school. What did I just say? I said my school brains during school. My brain works during school.
Brains?
I didn't say that. I said brains.
You're so weird, bro.
I don't even know what 2 plus 2 is. But I do know in school.
It's 4.
I went to
Y'all, she is going to,
4th grade.
and I'm going to
3rd grade.
5th grade.
Huh?
5th grade.
You are not going to know.
Yes, I am, bruh. I'm about to say my age. I am. I'm just kidding. I'm not at my age. Hey, I probably look.
Some more
Why?
white
Girl, I can't. Nobody can hear me. Look at this. Look at that.
line. Look at this.
It look like garbage.
Yours look like garbage too.
It looks like Fancy Nancy.
What is that? Oh!
Oh my God! She want to open Nancy in, bruh.
God, the water's getting cold. I mean,
For real?
no.
No, it's not. Why'd you just lie?
I thought it was.
Well, you need to touch it first. I'm like, what?
Alright, y'all.
I'm so mad.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Who says that?
For some reason, I have taste for pizza.
Clock it.
That's my favorite.
A kind of pizza.
Hopefully, we get pizza tonight, but he said our dad's gonna have.
In the fridge, but they're not in the fridge.
Girl, we just had sardines yesterday.
Yeah, but still. Our mom paid for it, not our dad. And our dad shared money. I'm about to pour that whole thing on me, bro.
What? Oh, the water?
Yes.
I broke it.
Then eat it.
I don't want it to go right now. Girl.
What do you want?
Nothing.
It's going up, that's how it's on. Golden, 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 golden. Oh, ow.
Alright, y'all. Have y'all guys watched K-pop Demon Hunter? It's so good, though. Yeah. What's your favorite song from K-pop Demon Hunter?
Soda Pop and it's golden.
Mine is Soda Pop, How It's Done, and Golden. Y'all, I don't really like your idol. Take down. Oh my god, y'all, I officially finished. Well, I finished! I'm gonna just help you open these.
Who said it was?
Did you drop a piece of gum?
Nope. But I dropped a piece of wrapper.
Alright, y'all. So we'll see you guys when she's done. I'm just gonna pour it out for you.
Hmm?
I'm just gonna pour it out.
Wait, can you open them? Hey, what are we gonna do after this?
Put it in the hot water.
We're gonna be like, and then we're just gonna keep it down here.
Yeah, and wait.
We're gonna wait down here.
Guys, we finished! We all finished.
Finally, let's put it in.
So
Ready?
now we have our bowl of water. It's warm. It has to be warm, y'all.
Sorry.
And we're gonna put all of the gum in now.
Ready, set, go. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh. I don't think mine can be able to fit all this.
We're gonna wait
10
10
minutes.
minutes. We're not gonna do 20 anymore. But we're gonna
Yeah.
do 10 minutes and yeah, we'll see you guys in 10 minutes.
Alright, guys.
It's been 10 minutes and it's feeling soft. So right now we're gonna put some paper towels. It's so warm for me and yeah, for you and me.
Anyways.
Okay. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put this.
Oh.
Now what we have to do is we mix it up inside.
Like hard.
Mix it up.
Oh, look. Oh.
Your water is green.
I know that. How hard is this gonna be? I don't think this is gonna turn out good. But we should chew it first. We should. My water's green.
That looks
Whose?
green water.
Oh, I know. Can I put this down?
Squish it as hard as you can.
I'm gonna do the last bits. You didn't even know if there's more because you can't even see it.
Don't chew it right now. Stop.
I need to like, you know.
Okay, y'all. So I'm just gonna keep squishing it. This is how it's looking right now. I'm gonna take like little pieces and like mush them up. Put it in hot water. The water's so hot though.
No, it's not. Mine's not. Mine worked though. I don't know if this.
Stop chewing it.
I'll be respect. A little bit. Okay, that piece is done.
Okay, y'all. This is turning out great.
If you say so.
I just need to bite it up. Oh, that tastes.
Brilliant. I have no idea what word I said.
Smell that. Did it in the bowl.
Yeah, but still. You put your gum in there and you're gonna eat it afterwards.
Girl, you still got a whole piece right here. Yo, this is not turning out too great, actually.
Then why'd you say it
I don't
did?
know.
Because you know I was going to say that.
Mash it, mash it. A lot. So I'm gonna put it back in the water. This is getting hard.
This piece is already done. So we're just going to put that back in the water and let it freeze.
Stop chewing it.
I have to.
You don't have to, you just want to. Because I'm not chewing it.
Yeah, but you have to. So make it easier. Is Bruno down here? Oh, no, he's not. He's never in the video, though.
Oh, I gotta make it soft. So I don't want it to look like chunky.
You want it to look like mine?
No.
How rude.
It looks chunky. Look at this chunky thing.
It's fine.
Come on, slime. Your nose is big. Alright. You're doing too much. You're doing the most. Oh, I'm trying to fix this.
That's what you have to do.
Liberty.
You're doing the worst thing of your life
Alright, y'all, look.
right now, bro.
Yo, I'm gonna put something in here to make it loosen.
Which is?
I don't know. Maybe so foamy. Y'all, I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so the slime, I'm back.
I don't even know if this is gonna work. You can try it on yours first.
Mine worked, y'all. Look. This guy's.
Oh!
OMG!
I'm still gonna put my soap on it.
Stop! Cause then you're not gonna. You better do that right now, cause then you can't chew it. So don't, cause you're gonna put foamy soap on. Remember? Yeah. Don't put it in your mouth right now. Put it in your mouth all you want right now before you do it.
But I got Bruno hair on me. For some reason.
Dog hair.
They know what that is. Because we just said that Bruno is our dog.
We don't talk about Bruno.
And that's not him.
Look, this is what my friend made.
My wedding day.
I forgot the song now. In the sky, Bruno walks in with the
Messed up.
medicine.
Oh, good.
It's the story arc.
My
Go back. Whoa.
Bruno said he looks like rain.
Money teller.
Bruno said he looks like hay.
Money teller.
In a hurricane.
But anyway, we
You know, talk about Bruno.
oh, look at this slime.
Why is your slime like that?
Because I made it.
I have more slime than you.
I know.
You want some of mine?
No.
There's my wedding day. We were getting ready and there was a cloud in the
Oh,
sky.
it's so hard.
And I'm getting wet.
Bruno walks in.
Might as well just get wet.
Then
Dunder.
you're telling a story or mine.
I read it.
Bruno says he looks
Why didn't you tell her?
Oh, no.
Bruno said he looks like
I don't know.
Kate. Why didn't you tell Bruno?
Anyway.
You don't talk about
Why
Bruno.
did I talk about Bruno?
We don't talk about Bruno. I'm so confused. Like, what'd you just say?
These little pieces are not.
Yeah, you don't want to know how dirty our hands are right now. Like, how am I gonna clean this off?
I know.
What?
Water.
Stupid. I can clean it off right now.
How? I don't see it. Yo, this line is turning out so great.
Mine isn't. Because I have too much.
It is so hard to stretch.
I
Now
know.
look at this little piece of my slime.
Wait, is yours hard to stretch?
Let me try it.
I'm gonna just do one at a time of, huh? I'm gonna just do one at a time of these because, like, it's hard to stretch all together.
Look.
I'm gonna put this in my mouth again.
No, you're not.
Who said I wasn't?
Alright, y'all. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell.
Oh, that worked really good.
Hit the big thumbs up, y'all. And
Yeah.
you guys should try this. It's really fun. And y'all, if you want to make your slime foamy, go get some foamy soap. So, yeah, guys.
Girl, it's not called foamy soap. It's called
It's foamy.
champagne soap.
Okay. Hope you guys like this video, but it's not foaming hand soap. Okay, y'all. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe. I said that already. Hit the big thumbs up, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
It's connected to you.